much for joining me for this video today. My name is Nicole and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and today I have a what sold video for you guys. Just a couple of days of sales. Don't have a lot to show you, but I thought I would show you a few things that I haven't shipped out yet that I need to ship out today. I have them all bagged up and ready, but I thought I would show you what it is first before I dropped off the post office. So I only have 5 sales to show you. It is Wednesday, so it's in the middle of the week. I did have 2 other sales that are already packed up and shipped, also that were the last couple days, but I thought I would show you what I got. I did have 1 sale here from Poshmark to show you, and then the other 4 are from eBay. So let's get right into this. I'll show you guys. This is just going to be a short, quick video to show you what's selling for me. Like I said, about 5 sales, and I believe this is anything I sold on Monday, Tuesday, and then I have 1 sale from today on here. So basically about 2.5 days. I'll probably have another sale or so today, more than likely. But I thought I would show you what I've sold. So first thing I'm going to show you is on eBay, and this is actually a linen top by the brand Vince. This sold really quickly. I didn't have it listed very long, and someone sent me a $15 offer. I countered with 20 and they accepted. So that is going out today. I have the packaging already, I just have to close it. Okay, this next item is Soma. Now, I picked this up very early in my reselling. I know I've had it for probably, I would say like 4 years, maybe more. I actually think I had this when I lived in the other house before my husband and I bought this house, and I'm pretty sure, I know I've had it over 2 years. I think I probably had at least 2 years before that. I'm thinking I've had it for 4 or 5 years, so I've had it a very long time. This brand sometimes sells quickly for me, and sometimes it sits for a long time, so I definitely wouldn't say I recommend picking up every piece by this brand. This particular dress I've had a long time, and it is a Soma Intimates, but I think this is a dress as well. Like, I don't think it's just to sleep in, but yeah, I put that in the listing. But I've had this a long time. I've worn this multiple times out. I wore it a few times to church, and I wore it when I went on my missions trip a couple years ago. It's a very comfortable dress, and I sold it for $12 on eBay. Someone sent me a $12 offer, and I accepted, so I was happy to get rid of it because I had it a really long time. Okay, this is actually the item that sold today. Man, those things don't let go. This is actually a soft surroundings maxi skirt. Soft surroundings, size medium. It's this really pretty blue long skirt. I got this at my Goodwill, maybe for about $5, I think. I'm not sure. I'm honestly not sure how much I paid for it. I've had it quite a while. But it sold for $30. I had it listed for I think $40. Someone sent me a $25 offer, and I countered with $30, and they accepted. So I was happy about that. I do like to make, my goal in purchasing most items is to make about $20 profit, $18 to $20 profit. So on that one, I probably just barely made it. Okay, this is my last item on Poshmark, and to me, this kind of shows you that you don't have to have name brand stuff to sell. This didn't sell for a lot, and I actually sold it because I think I paid $3 for it in a B&G trading haul, I think, or liquidation.com, one of the two. Can't remember at the top of my head, but this is a brand called B Darlin. It is a size 11-12. It's a pretty dress. Kind of has a high neck, cut out there, and I would say it's about knee length or a little above. I think I paid about $3 for it. It sold for $12. So, you know, when you buy liquidation, or you buy pallet, I've never bought a whole pallet, but when you buy from like a liquidation site, you get a lot of different things. Sometimes you'll get really great name brand stuff, and then sometimes you get off-brand stuff like this. So this is definitely what I would consider off-brand, and I'm happy to make a few bucks on it just because it's not name brand. When I'm out thrifting, I really try to find stuff that's $20 more profit. But when I buy liquidation or something, you get all kinds of stuff. So I can't guarantee that the stuff I'm gonna be able to sell for $20. This I think I had listed for maybe $20, and someone sent me a $12 offer, and I just accepted. So I'm happy to get rid of it. Honestly, dresses and skirts are hard for me to get out of my closet, out of my store. And so whenever someone sends me an offer, if it's decent, and especially if it's like something I paid maybe $2 or $3 for, then I'm happy to usually take the offer, even if I'm just making back my money. In this case, I made a little bit, but not a lot. So I was happy with it though, and a lot of times I will take lower offers just because I'm trying to move inventory, because I don't want to be storing a bunch of stuff. I have, I would say, probably about 1,500 items in my my eBay room. I call it my eBay room, but it's my eBay Poshmark room, and I have a lot of stuff listed, I have a lot of stuff not listed. So for me, I'm just trying to move stuff and make some money in the meantime. So this is a pair of Beta brand pants. This is my last item to show you. This is the tag for Beta brand. I can't remember if I did a haul of this, but I went to my local Goodwill probably 2 weeks ago, and I happened to be in there, and I looked at the pants section. I didn't have a lot of time to shop, but I looked at the pants section, which is not really like my favorite. I don't love selling pants, but I happened to find 4 pairs of Beta brand size small pants. These are more like, they're like a stretchy black, and they're like a boot cut. And I found 4 pairs of these, and 2 pairs have sold already. These sold for $25 on Poshmark. Someone sent me that offer, and I accepted because, like I said, I'm trying to move stuff. You know, when I don't have anything, when I have something that hasn't been listed very, very long, and someone sends me an offer, I'm just really, I really think about it, because I would hate to say no to that and then them sit for a really long time. So I think I had them listed for $35. I really would have liked to get $30 for them, but I was like, well, it's $5, and it might help me to get another sale today, because a lot of times on Poshmark and on eBay, if you get one sale, you accept one offer, a lot of times you will end up getting more offers. So yeah, that's the last piece. I didn't actually count to see how much that is. I would say it was not quite $100. Let me see, because this was $25, and then I had the skirt, which was $30, so that's $55. Then I had 2 $12 for, that's almost $25, so I could say around $75, $75. And then I had, what was the other piece I had? Not quite $100. Yeah, so not quite $100. A little bit less than $100, but I'm really happy with those sales. Generally, I make at least $300 a week, but sometimes more, just depending on the platform and how I'm doing. My goal really is to make, at some point, I would like to make $100 a day on both platforms, like all week. So when it averages out, it's $100 a day. That would be really awesome for me. I don't know when that will happen, but I think I gotta put more work and effort in to my business to get to that point. But that is kind of my goal. So if I make $100 every couple days, I'm usually not too sad about that, because I'm getting closer to my goals, right? So anyway, that just gives you kind of an idea. I'm a part-time reseller, so I'm not full-time. So I'm making more part-time wages than full-time on eBay and Poshmark. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much for joining me for this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more content from my channel. I would love for you to comment with any suggestions you might have for me, or maybe even video suggestions. I do a lot of hauls and what sold videos, but I really want to get into maybe more tutorials and just showing you how to sell or resell, or even taking photos of different things. But let me know if you're interested in seeing any other content from me. Like I said, I'm part-time, and so I'm not doing this full-time. I do 1 to 2 hours a day, sometimes a little bit more, but just depends on the day and if I'm working. So anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please stop by again, and don't forget to comment. I love to hear what you guys are thinking, maybe what you're selling. I would love to hear maybe what you last sold. or your best sales this week, anything like that. I love to hear that kind of stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye.